we are getting ready to start the festivities of Christmas Eve 2022. I woke up this morning, I looked outside my window where children lighting up the Christmas tree and the snow is... Hello everyone, it is officially Christmas Eve. Yes, this year has gone by so fast, but nevertheless, we are 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 4 hours away from Christmas 2022. So guys, what we're having family fun night tonight. So I'm gonna bring y'all along. So I have done some charcuterie boards, made a punch. We have games set up. We're gonna do the ugly cookie decorating. We're gonna play Jenga, then we're gonna look at, my son wanna look at the Polar Express. So we're gonna look at the Polar Express. So we're probably gonna do this from 8 to 12 o'clock, and then we will be wrapping it up so we can get ready to open all of this stuff here, guys. Oh my gosh. So let me go ahead and give you how it's going to go. The first half of Christmas tomorrow will be the first video. The second video will be my Christmas opening. So the first half will be the kids. The second half will be mine. They was like, Mom, you need a video all by yourself. You're gonna cry. My kids forever making me cry. But nevertheless, guys, we are getting ready to start the festivities of Christmas Eve 2022.
Avoid the cranberries, I think. I want it.
this is the aftermath. Everything is going. That pizza, guys, I'm gonna have to give y'all the recipe and show you how I do it. So good. And y'all, look, it was filled to the rim. It's gone. It's gone. So guys, we have ended the night, and I'm going to end the night with you. Have a Merry Christmas, and I will see y'all in the AM. Yes, I'm coming.